bane of our country has been the twin deficits, and both on the fiscal side and the current account side. On the fiscal side of things, we have now achieved a primary surplus, and this is what we've been talking about over the last day and a half. You know, prudent fiscal management. So mobilizing the local resources, our tax to GDP ratio has been languishing between 9 to 10%. It sort of moved in the direction of 10.8% end of December. Managing Director, as you know, we have agreed to move it to 13.5% to Joint Committee of Nations and to bring a certain level of sustainability to the primary surplus that we have. On the other side, it's also discussion on the expenditures and making tough policy choices with respect to what is a good cost and bad cost. That's what I also, and we have to fundamentally change the DNA of the economy.
This is indeed the right trajectory, the right direction to travel, and I want to thank you for your dedication to stay the course. And for the audience, I can share with you a small secret. The minister likes his job despite all of the difficulties he faces.